Hello everybody, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I will share with you emerging technology sample question and answer on chapter 6 or on ethics and the professionalism of emerging technology, which will be presented by me or Lami on Lamishow tube. Question number 1. As technology is developing and advancing, they can solve complex problems and they can make our life easy. However, technological advance can have some negative sides. Which one of the following is a negative side of it? A. Concern about privacy. B. Vulnerability by spam and viruses. C. Cutting off people who lack access to it. D. All of the above. Question number 2. Which one of the following is not principle of professional ethics? Integrity, objectivity, confidentiality, professional behavior, none of the above. Question number 3. Which one of the following is true about ethical rule related to emerging technology? A. Inappropriate data for teaching computer make outcome unfair or unethical. B. Relying on machines and giving all opportunity for machine to decide is good. C. Ethical issue always should be planned after risk is raised up. D. Ethics is not necessary for some technology. E. None of the above. Question number 4. Which one of the following is not ethical rule that can be applied in technologies? A. Be honest. B. Discrimination. C. Honor privacy. D. Respect confidentiality. Question number 5. The protection of personal identifiable or business identifiable information that is collected from respondents through information collection activity or from other sources called dash. Digital privacy, confidentiality, data security, information security, all of the above. Question number 6. When individuals have the freedom or right to determine how their digital information like password, PIN number, bank details, credit card information, and etc. are collected and used, it is called dash. Communication privacy, individual privacy, information privacy, all of the above. Question number 7. Suppose Mr. Chala sends a message called Lamin Barate Gafi Mirga Gafata for Mr. Bona. But if the message is unreached and goes to someone else for unknown reason, which types of digital privacy is infringed? A. Communication privacy. B. Individual privacy. C. Information privacy. D. All of the above. Question number 8. If individuals or users freely exist on the internet and not interrupted by unwanted information, what right and the freedom of user is respected? Communication privacy, individual privacy, information privacy, all of the above. Question number 9. Which one of the following is not the reason for the breach of individual privacy? Unwanted ads, email or spam, virus, none of the above. Question number 10. Which one of the following is used to protect digital privacy? Data minimization, transparency, accuracy, security, all of the above. Question number 11. One is not the way to protect digital privacy. A. Collecting necessary and a minimal amount of information. B. Collecting information and using for any other purposes. C. Maintaining collected information in accurate, timely, and complete manner. D. Implementing physical and IT security measures. Question number 12. Dash is protecting data against improper maintenance, modification, or alteration. Integrity, accuracy, confidentiality, professional behavior, none of the above. Question number 13. Dash refers to the protection of information from unauthorized access or disclosure. Integrity, accuracy, confidentiality, professional behavior, none of the above. Question number 14. One of the following can protect confidentiality at work except dash. A. By locking the confidential information. B. Password protecting sensitive computer files. C. Ensuring that paper copies are shredded before disposal. D. None of the above. Question number 15. Which one of the following is the negative impact of emerging technologies? Increase productivity, makes the service we need more accessible, make our lives easier, producing cyber attack. Question number 16. Which one of the following is a positive impact of emerging technologies? For better cybersecurity and information assurance, for law enforcement, for having improved surveillance, all of the above. Question number 17. How to manage the challenge posed by emerging technology? A. By careful planning to ensure the benefits are realized and the threats are mitigated. Assessing potential risk before technology becomes fully fledged. By not using technology. And B. All of the above. Question number 18. What are the dilemmas that comes along with emerging technology? Providing improved security, providing improved accuracy, cost effectiveness, making human jobless, managing the mass amount of data being produced, and B, C, and D. This is all about chapter 6, sample question and answer. Thank you for watching. For more video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel or Lamishow. Galatoma, Hora Bladibana.